I've got an easy strategy for you today, and if you want to make money online fast, well, this is for you. There's gonna be few simple steps, so make sure you do them properly, otherwise there's not gonna be any profits. So hit subscribe and let's go. So you know that people want to lose weight, okay? People all over the world, they want to lose weight. And that's exactly why we can use this strategy to make money with, because it is so popular. You can actually check the popularity of a certain keyword by going over to Google Trends, and you can just type in, for example, weight loss, and you will get the information on if the people are searching for it. So you can see that it is a high volume search in the United States, but of course you can always switch this to worldwide and you will get a similar info. This is a popular keyword, and in the online world where you have a popular keyword, well, you can make money with it. That's how it works. So how can we actually use this information to make money with? First of all, go over to Google and you can just type in how to lose weight tips. So all you need is some tips to lose weight. So for example, these are like 12 tips, but you need like only 3 or 4. And some of these are like, for example, do not skip breakfast, eat regular meals, eat plenty of fruit and vegetables, get more active. So maybe these 4 are enough. So that's the first step, okay? Just search for something like that. Now what we want to do is we want to go over to pixabay.com. Now pixabay.com is going to give you a lot of free pictures and a lot of free videos, okay? So for example, for this strategy, you can search for a picture which is related to weight loss. So you can just type in weight loss and you will get a lot of pictures which are related to that, okay? You can even get the videos if you want, but the process is going to be the same. So you can just use weight loss, or maybe you can just type in fitness and you can just choose the picture which you like, okay? So just choose something which is good. So for example, I don't know, maybe this one is good, and all that you have to do now is you have to download this one. So you can click on the free download and you can just take the best quality, click on the download button, and it's going to go over to your computer. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is. Now, of course, this strategy is going to work all around the world, okay? It doesn't matter where you live. You can just get the traffic from wherever in the world you are located, and you can make money with it. The next step is going over to Canva.com. Now, Canva.com has a lot of free templates for you, but since we have a picture which is free, we don't need templates. We can just use the editor that's inside of your browser. So you can just click on this button, which is entitled Custom Size. Click on the custom size, and you will just make it like 1920 by 1080. That's like full HD. So now click on Create New Design, and you're going to be led inside of this editor. Now what you want to do is you want to click on the upload section. So click on the uploads, and in here just click on upload files. You will choose your picture that you have downloaded, and then you can just drag and drop this in the middle of the screen, okay? So now you just have to fit this so it fits this whole canvas, and you have it, okay? So this is the first step on Canva. Now we have to add the text, and that is easily done by clicking on this button, text, and then you can choose some of these templates for text, or you can just add a plain one. Maybe this one is good. Let's actually see if this one is good. So it's good, it's black on the white background, but we don't need this bit. We just need this one, and we need it to be like a bit smaller. But inside of this, well, that's exactly why we have chosen these tips. So the first one, do not skip breakfast. You can copy this one, and then you can just paste that in here. So do not skip breakfast, okay? So that's going to be the first one. But of course, at the top, you need to add what this is about. So once more, we're going to delete this. I'm going to move this in here. I'm going to stretch this so it fits the whole top of the page, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to write 4 tips to lose weight. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. I'm just going to make this smaller now. So I just want it to be at the top. I don't want it to be anywhere else. Now you can just drag this up and down. You can just do it like this. You can make this smaller as well. So we need 4 of these. Now we can add more text. We can just delete this again and move this here, for example. And we copy the second one here, copy, and we paste that in here once once more, you just make it smaller, and we are, of course, ready for the third one. We can just move this one, delete this one, make this smaller, change text, get a third one, eat plenty of fruit and vegetables, make this like this, of course, this can stay like this, add another one, delete this, just make this like here, for example, just make sure that people can see it, get the last one, and then paste that in here, and that's it. We have 4 tips to lose weight, okay? So this is the picture that is going to make us the money. When you're happy, just click on the share button, click on the download button, and it's going to go to your computer. That's it. Now you want to open the Imager.com. Now Imager.com is going to serve as a traffic source, and you can see a lot of pictures are on Imager.com. So we're going to use this. So make yourself an account right here. It's going to be fast and free. Click on New Post. Click on New Post, and in here you just drop the image. And guys, Imager.com has a lot of traffic. You can see that they've got 161 million total visits each month. So that's the exact reason why we are using this as a traffic source, okay? That's really good thing. You can see a lot of traffic during a month, and we can just go to the next step. The image is in here, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to add something to this description which is actually going to get us paid. And for this, we can use affiliate marketing, okay? That's going to be easy and profitable. We can use a website which is called Digistore24. I like this website for a number of reasons. It is fairly simple to use, and they have a lot of those offers. So you can just click on the register now. Make yourself an account and enjoy these commissions, which are high as 85%. So log in inside, and in here you have a lot of categories. So you can just head over to Marketplace, and you can see on the left hand side here, guys, you have fitness and health. So for example, this is the ultimate keto meal plan, but you have a lot of these down there which serve as a weight loss remedy or something like that. So for example, this one is good. Lean belly 3 times. So these are the pills. So what do you want to do? You want to grab this affiliate link of yours, and whenever someone clicks on it, you're going to get $48, okay? $48 for each one of these sales. So grab this link and paste that link in here, okay? So paste that link, and you can write something like easily lose weight with the link below, so people know that there's a link below, okay? So when they click on it, you will get a commission when they buy it, okay? So this is so easy, guys. A lot of people are gonna do that simply because weight loss is such a popular topic, okay? There's going to be a lot of money for you just based on this. And we have made something which is attractive, and Imager.com has a lot of traffic, so that's all that we need, okay? So I hope you see how easy this is. Just go and take the action, and I'll catch you later.